Today we got two really exciting pieces here. We got this Lavelle cage ship light, got on eBay for about $60. We have the Nautis Bronze-Matic, got on eBay for $325. The thing that makes this so special is the fact that it actually basically ages with you with the patina. It's a 43.5 millimeter case and has a domed sapphire crystal, which is really nice. Seiko movement, automatic, and it was manufactured in Germany. This thing is gonna go perfectly inside the ship light. I wanna make sure to get a close-up of this piece because, man, this thing's awesome. Super heavy. Perfect size to store a watch in. So when I originally bought it, there actually was a yellow light bulb in here. The electronics also were all hooked in. I disconnected all those, took all that out. Gonna take this piece off and we're going to do that first. Here's all the pieces that we have to construct this. We got these wood things. So we just have a nice base to display this on. We have this rod here, cheap little bronze piece. Take this, attach this here, and this is gonna go on there like that. It's gonna be displayed like that. Got these little copper pieces, yep, copper tube. See what we do with that. Got these little pieces which fit on here perfectly. I think that's what we're gonna use to keep this on here like that. Also have LEDs, old LEDs. Still work though. So obviously I'm gonna use them. Comes with a remote. This is gonna go in here like that. This over this. Wood piece over that. Rod's gonna be going through here. And our watch is gonna be displayed in the middle of our cage here. Probably gonna leave this out just because that's kind of a hassle to take this off and this just to get to the watch. But it's cool, thick glass, original part of the ship light piece, so definitely want to keep it. First thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and put these LEDs in here. This is the sensor for the controller, so that will need to be sticking out a little bit. So this wood piece is just a little bit too big. It's kind of forcing these metal plates out. So what we're gonna do with this, sand it down a little bit, drill holes with it, make sure it fits. Then we will put some wood stain on it, give it a nice finish. Perfect. I got two stains that I bought. Espresso and ebony, darker. This is more like a rich wood. This is just gonna be dark. I got a bunch of these little wood pieces, so we're gonna stain a couple of them, burn a couple of them. We're gonna see which looks best at the bottom. Before we open these up, we're gonna burn this, because these are flammable. So we're gonna do the burning method first on two of these, and then we'll put the stain on the other ones. be the one we're gonna put the ebony stain on. Now we're moving on to the ebony. Let's give this one a try. I'm gonna let these dry and see what they look like here in about 30 minutes. All right, now that these are all dry, I'm gonna set these off to the side. Now, so I got all the little brass pieces, bronze pieces that we're gonna use to construct this, including the rod. And I also bought this green patina forcer basically, and then this brass darkening solution. It's just gonna make it darker, look older, even though all this is shiny and looking brand new. First thing we're gonna darken, we're gonna try one of these with the darkening solution, and then another one with the green patina. See how those come out. Next we're gonna do a test on these little support pieces. Now we're gonna do a test on these pieces. Now I'm gonna do this in sections. I'm gonna do this part of the rod with the green patina and this part with the darkening agent. You can actually see the darkening agent's already doing its job right there on the very tip. So I'm interested to see how all these come out. We got the patina here. The bronze agent worked really good on here. Not so much on these three parts. Kind of just looks like it splattered on there, but the patina worked perfectly. I mean that's exactly what we want it to look like. So this is how our final patina product looks. Looks pretty awesome. Really like how this came out. Then I came up with this sequence, how these pieces are gonna go on here. So now that this is done, we're gonna move on to doing a patina on these little edges all around here, down along all these cracks and over the letters. And next we'll do this, all around that. Then we just have to put it together pretty much, drill a couple holes and we're good to go. This turned out really great. Time to move on to the next piece, the base. I'm gonna put a lot right here along these edges and this crack right here. So that's the height we need to glue all this in at, all these little parts. Okay, so I'm covering this in glue, and then I'm gonna put the pieces on. Might stay, it might not, we'll see. That was my first idea, so we're gonna go with that. All right, now we're gonna let that dry. I'm gonna drill a hole in this right here so this can fit on here. There we are, finished, finally. Super happy how this turned out. Yeah, so next video is gonna be an electrical Sony Watchman, old portable television basically, and I'm gonna be taking the guts out of that and finding a place to put the watch in there. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.